Mark is a farmer. He lives by himself on a big farm, which is located far from the bustling city. His days are long, working on the farm, tending to his animals and planting crops. There aren't many neighbours nearby, so he feels lonely at times. Every Saturday, Mark drives his old truck to the city. He goes shopping, buys supplies for his farm, and sometimes stops at a cafe for a hot drink. He looks at the families and couples around him and wishes he had someone by his side. One evening after a day in the city, Mark had an idea. He remembered reading in a magazine about online dating. Perhaps I could find someone this way, he wondered. So, he decided to give it a try. With the help of his old computer, Mark signed up on a dating website. He took a photo of himself wearing his favourite hat and wrote a small profile about his love for farming. Days passed, and every evening Mark eagerly checked his messages, hoping to hear from someone. Then one day he got a message from a woman named Melinda, who liked his profile. She was a city girl, working at a big store. They planned to meet the following week. Excitedly, Mark also received messages from 2 other women. Paula, who loved horses and the outdoors, and Sandra, a teacher who liked reading. Feeling hopeful, Mark planned a weekend in the city. He booked a small hotel room for 2 nights. His first date was with Melinda at a cosy Italian restaurant. They spoke about their lives. While Melinda was kind, Mark felt she was too fond of the city's busy life. The next evening, Mark met Paula at a park. They talked about farming, horses, and the countryside. Paula was lively but seemed more interested in partying than settling down. On Sunday, Mark had lunch with Sandra at a quiet cafe. They talked for hours. However, Sandra confessed she didn't like the idea of living near so many insects and animals. Feeling a bit disappointed, Mark headed back to his farm. On his way, he stopped at his usual gas station. He remembered a friendly face, Lindy, who worked there. She always had a warm smile and seemed to like the calm of the countryside. To his surprise, Lindy wasn't there. He learned from another worker that she had moved to the city, hoping to find love. An idea struck Mark. He quickly dialed Lindy's number from a card she once gave him. "Hello, Lindy. It's Mark from the farm. Would you like to go out with me?" Lindy's happy voice replied, "I thought you'd never ask." And so Mark realized that sometimes what we seek is closer than we think.